Yeah. Now you can see my mobile window, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Here I am going to the Play Store. I will search for Moodle app. MOODLE Moodle. Okay. Now you can see the icon like this. M icon.
महोदय
You
न
can-
दृश्यते स्क्रीन् शेर् क्रियताम्
कृतमस्ति, अन्येभ्यः दृश्यते प्रायः।
दृश्यते
अस्ति।
दृश्यते
दृश्यते
हाँ,
दृश्यते
दृश्यते,
दृश्यते
दृश्यते। हाँ, अस्तु। इदानीं तत्र द्रष्टुं शक्नुवन्ति, यम् इति दृश्यते खलु, तादृशं भविष्यति यम् इति। अत्र पश्यन्तु, यम् इति तद् इदानीं मया इन्स्टाल् कृतमेव अस्ति, अतः ओपन् इत्येव दृश्यते। अस्तु वा? ओपन् कुर्वन् अस्मि। See, you can see like this Moodle app. You just observe the icon. Okay, yum. In yum you can see the icon of the application. See here, it will ask either whether you are a learner or educator. See here, I'm taking as learner. Okay, you are all of you are the learners. So here it will ask for the entering to the URL. Okay, it will ask for the URL. So what URL you have to enter here? You have to enter mspssk.com. Okay, mspssk.com. Here, don't make a mistake. Yesterday and all, some of the users have made mistake like this. See, if you press and if you make any spelling mistake, even space, it will not take. Okay, don't use such things. You don't do such things. Okay, make sure whether your URL what you have entered is correct or not. You have to consider. You have to be aware of these things. Okay, see here mspssk.com. Then if you enter here, see, it will take you to this kind of login page. Here you have to enter the address. I'm going to enter my email address, ngari@gmail.com. Password will be my phone number. And I will click on login. Okay. Now it will take me to the Moodle page. See, wait a while. It is considering. Oh yeah. Now it will give some of the tips. Okay, explore your personal area, everything. You can skip that. See, now you can see this kind of window. You can see this kind of window or this kind of screen. Here, see, site announcement. Site announcement is nothing but you have seen the notifications regarding classes or notification regarding the Moodle learning management system. Everything you have seen in the PC. Same thing will appear here. Okay. See, if you come back, you can see many icons below over here. See, you can see. See, I will take this one, my screen here. See, in the below side, you can see, no, one hat is there, and some chat box icon is there, and one bell icon is there. 17 notifications, everything. There you have to click. See, if you want to access your courses, you have to just click on this cap. Okay, cap icon. If you click on that, you can see your courses. What are the courses you have enrolled? There you can see the courses. See here, only in 2 courses I am there. First one is BS01 Prathama Diksha and second one is Moodle training app. If you click here, if you touch, and it will take to your courses. Yeah. See, like this, you will get different kind of options here. Even you can see the participants. Okay. If you are not able to see your participants, don't worry. Okay. Your adhyapaka, your teacher will train how to use further usages, how to you can access further options and all. Your teacher will say how to access other things.